Myself Rajalakshmi S. Rai from Vidyalakshmi First Grade College, Samanur. Now I am taking Financial Accounting 5 of Final Year BCom. Under that we are already studied about the redemption of preference shares. So around 10 problems are over. The next problem will be, it appeared for the year 2012. The question is appeared for the year 2012. So this is the balance sheet. Then we can see the adjustment. A fresh issue of equity shares to the extent required was made at 20% premium. Once again, there is no number of equity shares given fresh issue. So we have to find out how much fresh issue we have to make. So it is also given the company decided to redeem the preference shares at a premium of 5%. So we have to pay 5% premium on preference shares. Then fresh issue of equity shares to the extent of required, then 20% premium. Next one is all the investments were sold at rupees 8,10,000. So the investment sold for 8,10,000. The directors wish that profit and loss account should be fully utilized. So P&L account should be fully utilized and rupees 1 lakh should be left in the general reserve. So we have to leave 1 lakh in general reserve. Pass the journal entries, prepare equity share capital account, share premium account and bank account. Show the balance sheet after redemption. Show the balance sheet after redemption. So first we have to pass the entry for this one, that is investment sold. When investment sold, cash comes in. So the bank account will be debtors. How much you will receive? We are receiving 8,10,000. So investments goes out. See the balance sheet. What is the amount of investment? 8,40,000. So the difference will be transferred to profit and loss account, that is 30,000. So profit and loss account is 30,000. So this is debit, means this is the loss. So the first element is bank account data. This is the amount we received from the realization of or selling of the investment, that is 8,10,000. So what investment goes out from the business is 8,40,000. Remaining is loss. So ishtu investment ishtಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ loss. So this is the first journal entry. Next we have to pass, see how we have to redeem the preference shares. So the preference shares is 15 lakhs. So the amount is 15 lakhs. It is given, utilize the profit and loss account fully. So it is fully means the profit and loss account is given 7,50,000. Remember that while selling the investment, there will be a loss of 30,000. So the loss should be deducted from the profit and loss account. This is important. Profit and loss account fully utilize ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 30,000 ಲಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We will get 7,20,000. Then it is given once again, we have to use the general reserve. Leave 1 lakh in general reserve. Profit and loss account we have to use fully. Then leave 1 lakh in general reserve. See the general reserve is 6 lakh. 6 lakh. Out of that we have to leave 1 lakh. That means we can utilize totally 5 lakh. Then remaining we have to issue to the public. So here it is 7,20,000. Here it is 5 lakh. So totally 12,20,000. So here it is 15,000. So the remaining equity share is 2,80,000. 2,80,000 is the fresh issue. Once again 50 lakhs. And that profit and loss account is 7,20,000. So 50 lakh minus 7,20,000. Then general reserve leave 1 lakh means we have to show this 1 lakh in the balance sheet. So we get 5 lakh. Then remaining means 50 lakhs minus 7,20,000 minus 5 lakh means 2,80,000. So this should be issued to the public. It is given a fresh issue of equity shares to the extent made. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So next we can pass the entry for the fresh issue of equity shares. Then the entry is bank account data to equity share capital account. Equity share is 2,80,000. See, the premium is given. Equity share premium is 20%. So write 2 securities premium account. 2 securities premium account. 2,80,000 into 20%. 2,80,000 into 20%. It is 56,000. So the bank account amount is 3,36,000. 3,36,000. So this is the entry for the fresh issue of shares. Bank account data to equity share capital to securities premium account. Next entry for the adjustment of premium or the payment of premium to the redemption of preference shares. So we can give it from the securities premium account or share premium account. Here it is given share premium account. So we can utilize the share premium account. So the entry is share premium account data to premium on redemption of preference shares account. Premium on redemption of preference shares account. How much we have to pay the premium? See here, preference shares is 15 lakhs. So 15 lakhs. Given in the adjustment, we have to pay preference shares premium at 5%. So into 5%. So it comes to 75,000. So we have to pay 75,000 to the premium. So the entry is share premium account attached to premium on redemption of preference shares account. The next entry is related to the adjustment of capital. So the for fresh issue is over. Then remaining is profit and loss account and general reserve. That balance should be transferred to capital redemption reserve. So the same entry, you follow the same step. First entry for if there is a sale of asset, you pass for that entry. Then for fresh issue. Then for the securities premium, that is premium on debentures. Then for transfer out to capital redemption. So this is over means remaining is easy, very easy entry. Profit and loss account amount is 7,20,000. Then general reserve account data, profit and loss account data, general reserve account data, it is 5 lakh. It should be transferred to capital redemption reserve account. So to capital redemption reserve account, total is 12,20,000. So we have to transfer 12,20,000 to capital redemption reserve. Then there is no fresh issue, bonus issue. See the problem, there is no bonus issue. So over, then we have to transfer the capital and premium to shareholders. So the entry is redeemable preference share capital account data. Redeemable preference share capital account data. Preference share capital account data. See the redeemable preference share capital is, it is given 15 lakhs. We have to see whether premium is there. Yes, premium 2% is there, 5% is there. So we have to write premium on redemption of preference shares account data. How much premium preference shares? Just to see the journal entry number 3. It is 75,000. 75,000. So capital and premium should be transferred to holders account. So to redeemable preference share holders account. Redeemable preference share holders account, that is 15,75,000. 15,75,000. So redeemable preference share capital account data, premium on redemption of preference shares account data to redeemable preference share holders account. So next, last entry is we have to pay to the redeemable preference shareholders. For the payment to the redeemable preference shareholders, the entry is, now it is credit, we have to debit it. So write the entry like redeemable preference share holders account data. Redeemable preference share holders account data. We are making the payment. When you are paying something, cash goes out, that is credit the bank account to bank account. So the amount is same 15,75,000. 15,75,000. So the general entry is over. Then it is given prepare the ledger account. One is preference share, equity share, capital account. So it is given in the problem. We have to prepare the equity share capital account. So we can prepare equity share capital account. Once again, liability always shows credit balance. So write by balance brought down. See the capital, equity share capital is 27 lakh. Next see the journal entries. See the first journal entry, bank account debtor to equity share capital account or equity share capital account debtor credited by bank account. So bank account debtor to equity share capital account or equity share capital account credited by bank account. Amount is 2,80,000. 2,80,000. Then no journal entry relating to the capital. So capital is over. So we have to carry down the balance. So write by balance carry down here. So 27 lakh plus 2,80,000. That is 29 lakh 80,000. So we have to write both side 29 lakh 80,000 both side. Next equity share capital we already prepared. Next account is we have to prepare it is given prepare share capital account, share premium account and bank account. So next we have to prepare share premium account. Next we have to prepare the share premium account. Once again balance is given the liability side. By balance brought down. The amount is premium amount is 3 lakh. See the journal entry number 2. Bank account debtor to share premium account or share premium account credited by bank account. It is 56,000. Next see the third entry, share premium account debtor to premium on redemption of preferred shares. Journal entry ನೋಡುದು ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡುವಂತದ್ದು, ಆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕುದು. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕುದು? If the transaction is given in the liability side then credit balance. If it is in the asset side then debit balance. Over. So the third entry is share premium account debtor to premium on redemption of preferred shares account. So the amount is 75,000. Then credit side is more. So the balance is carried down. 2 balance carried down. So the total is here it is 3,56,000. From this 3,56,000 minus 75,000 we get 2,81,000. 2,81,000. Next we have to prepare as per their requirement. Next we have to prepare the bank account. Remember bank is an asset. So the asset bank. So it should show debit balance. So we have to write 2 balance brought down. Amount is 7 lakh. See the balance sheet. It is 7 lakh. Then see the journal entries. Journal entry number 1, bank to investment. So bank to investment. See the bank account amount that is 8 lakh 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ is 8,10,000. See the second entry, bank to equity share capital. 2,80,000. Then share premium or securities premium 56,000. Then see the last entry, redeemable preferred shareholders account attached to bank account or bank account credited by redeemable preferred shareholders account. Last entry, see the last entry. The amount is 15,75,000. 15,75,000. So debit side is more. debit side total is 18,46,000. Debit side total is 18,46,000. So from 18,46,000 we have to deduct the credit balance, that is 15,75,000. Then we are getting the balance. So by balance carried down, it is 2,71,000. We get 2,71,000. Next we have to prepare the revised balance sheet. Here only I am writing the amount. So after redemption of preference shares, liability side no preference shares. Then equity shares. See here, then no need of writing in bracket. We already prepared the equity share capital account. Take this balance carried down. So write that amount here. So now we have to write equity share capital. So no need of once again calculating it. See the equity share capital. So we have to see the by balance carried down. It is 29,80,000. The next one is, here it is share premium. So once again no need of preparing it. It is given here the balance carried down 2,81,000. So instead of 3 lakh we have to write 2,81,000. 2,81,000. Then we have to write general reserve. It is given in the problem, leave 1 lakh in general reserve. So that 1 lakh should be come in the balance sheet. So puna ready madlikilla adelle kottidare leave 1 lakh anta. So 1 lakh should be appear here general reserve. Then profit and loss account. It is given in the adjustment. Profit and loss account should be fully utilized. So leave the profit and loss account. But remember, here we have to take, after general reserve we have to take capital redemption reserve. Capital redemption reserve. See the journal entry. Journal entry number 4. Journal entry number 4. Capital redemption reserve is 12,20,000. Capital redemption reserve is 12,20,000. Then last one is current liabilities. It is as it is 8,40,000. So over liability side total is 54,21,000. So liability side 54,21,000. So come to the current asset side. This is same, land 23 lakh same, plant 9 lakh same, furniture 6 lakh same, investment 8,40,000 is same, stock 9 lakh same, debtors 4,50,000 is same. Then we have to change only the bank. So no need of once again calculating bank balance. It is enough if you see the refer the bank account, ledger account. It is given 2,71,000. 2,71,000. So the total is 54,21,000. So the total is 54,21,000. So this is the balance sheet. So this is important question over. So thank you.